Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you appreciate the videos sharing with you guys. If you do, please press like and share and subscribe to the channel. I greatly would appreciate it. I was supposed to do some stir-fried rice this weekend, but it was like, hey, it felt like it was too much work, so I did some Bahamian chicken sauce and some baked bread. Some of them has coconut stuff in the middle. As I'm saying, I'm obsessed with coconut. So, but it's amazing, and I thank you again. And as soon as I take a break from work, I'm gonna be doing some traveling, so I'll be bringing you some videos from other countries. Yeah, that's gonna be exciting. I can't wait for that. But it's an amazing day, and yeah, thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed the video, all right?
This is definitely all the active ingredients you would need to make this dish. Is like I said before, it's a Bahamian chicken sauce. I will take it and put it in a big pot, and I will put it together. The most important thing is to remember to put all the lemon in last. It definitely tastes better that way. So we'll just add water to it. Yeah, you definitely just add water into the pot, mix everything together, put the chicken, the onions, and the potatoes in. I'll let it boil and then add some seasoning to it. As it, because it's boiling, the seasoning itself will boil itself right into the meat, into the potatoes and the onions.
So when I take my bread out of the oven, I like to put butter on it right away, so it stays sort of soft and moist. And it has a nice buttery taste to it also, you know.